staying healthy during holiday season and year-round is top of mind for everyone these days, and that's why I'm so happy to be partnering with Pom Wonderful to help people make healthy choices. Now, one piece of advice that we've all heard so often is that we should be eating more antioxidants, but not everybody knows what that means. A great rule of thumb is to choose foods that are very brightly colored, that have a lot of vibrancy to them. And pomegranates are the perfect example of that. So today I'd like to show you a few different ways of incorporating pomegranate juice and pomegranate arils to a variety of dishes. First, we'll start with a mocktail. Now, this is a very big trend. This is a pomegranate rosemary shrub mocktail. And what's wonderful about this is that we've used 100% Pom Wonderful pomegranate juice as the base. Now, the pomegranate juice has a lot of antioxidants in it as well. This 16-ounce bottle has the equivalent of 4 fresh pressed pomegranates in it, and 8 ounces of this Pom Wonderful pomegranate juice has about 700 milligrams of polyphenol antioxidants, which is wonderful. Next, a simple snack. Now, I'm half Persian, and this is a very classic Persian combo. We've got pomegranate arils with a little sprinkling of a spice called gulpar. But if you can't find that, that's okay. You can use lemon zest instead. Now, what's great about this is that Pom Wonderful has these pomegranate arils. They've done all the work for us. About half a cup of pomegranate arils is about 4 grams of dietary fiber. And that's great news because most Americans don't get enough dietary fiber. Next, we've got this beautiful fall harvest salad. And as you can see, we've included a lot of pomegranate arils on top of the salad, so we're getting antioxidants there. And then we up the ante by using 100% Pom Wonderful pomegranate juice in the dressing as well. And then finally, we have a roasted cauliflower with a garlicky yogurt drizzle. And then again, we've put a whole lot of the pomegranate arils on top. And that's not just for show. The pop of flavor that you get from the pomegranate arils is the perfect counterbalance to the earthiness of the roasted cauliflower and the garlicky yogurt sauce. And that pop of flavor can be included in so many different kinds of dishes. And for more information on pomegranates and inspiration on how to use them, you can visit pomwonderful.com or find us on social media at PomWonderful.